Here's how I use Notion to plan my move. I use Notion to literally plan every aspect of my life. My Notion is my digital life, and moving is no different. So let's get into it. This is like my main dashboard. It's pretty simple. I have a link to all my main pages, which includes furnishings. These are the things that I want to buy over a period of time, not immediately, for my new place. I have a moving to do. These are things that I need to do while moving out, before moving in. Again, things that are going to take a period of weeks or maybe even a couple of months to do. So it's like a long standing Kanban board for everything to do. This is the moving week checklist. This is like shit I need to do immediately or this week or in order for the move to happen on moving day. That was the wrong screenshot because I also have costs. What I'm budgeting for everything I need to pay for and then what the actual cost comes out at. And of course, I have a list of photos for the style that I'm trying to go for fun. First, I have the furnishings database. I have a few different views that I use depending on my mood and what I'm looking for. But essentially, it's a dump in a table of everything that I intend to buy. Example, I'll tag the item by the room that it's going to go in, the status where it's at, and then the type of item as well. So my statuses are to do, researching, decided, or I have ordered. Decided means I know what I want to get, but maybe I'm not buying it yet. Maybe I'm waiting for a sale. And then the item tag is whether it's furniture, it's decor, or some other type of house accessory. Here are the different views that I have. I have a table view for furniture, decor, accessories, so really filtering on that item type. And then I have a Kanban board because I love Kanban boards for everything. There is nothing more satisfying than dragging something across columns. Okay, next, I have the grand moving to-do list. And I just have a single Kanban view for this. The status on this board is things that I need to do, things I've organized, things I'm doing, or I have done them, I've smashed them out. I'll also add a tag for whether something is a move-in task or a move-out task. And I'll assign it a date once I've either organized it or I know when it needs to be done or will be getting done. Moving week page is literally a checklist where I can cross off tasks. And last but not least, I have the costs table, basically the monies table. There should be way more in this. I need to add to it because it's definitely not this cheap to move. But yeah, what I'm budgeting and what the actual cost is. Notion is literally the only thing keeping me sane while moving, managing work, managing life, and all that stuff. So